Hey guys, today we're gonna be fishing in my pond. We're gonna be fishing with this fluke. Let's get it. Be his first cast. One just blew up out there in the middle. Oh dang, that was just a fish. How do they keep getting off? Dang. Oh, there he went, got him. Come back, got him on the second time. Check this dude out. On the fluke. Probably about half a pound maybe. Alright guys, we just moved from over there to this side of the pond. With the first cast over here. Alright, we got a fish on. Oh, really? Dang. Quick release. Alright, now we're at the back of the pond now. I missed that one, got him to the bank and he got off, but just a quick release, I guess. See if we can catch one on this cast. Oh, dang it. I just missed one. Daggum. First cast, too. Oh, there's one. Oh, daggum it. That would have been two right there. I mean, that was two in one cast. Man. I don't know what is up, man. Let's throw it right back out there, see if he'll get it again. Doubt it, but you never know. Oop. Oh, that is a backlash for days right there. I think that's just finna end my video on that one. Got hung in that tree back there. Alright, I'll get back with y'all after I get this backlash out. Come here. Come here, Dixie. Come here. Alright. Alright guys, I got a green pumpkin kind of trickworm and a yellow trickworm and a mega fluke. Let's see if we can get on these. Alright guys, we just put on the green pumpkin trickworm. See if we can catch us another one. It's starting to rain. If it rains us out, I'll continue this video in the morning. Alright guys, the trickworm ain't seem to be working. So I'm just going to switch to this mega fluke. Get back to y'all after I put it on. Alright, we just put on the mega fluke. This thing's probably about 7 inches long, probably. Alright guys, it started to rain on us. That's a fish. That's on the mega trickworm. I mean on the fluke. I'm skipping this jerker. That's a good one too. Oh, really? He spit it. Well, that sucks. I didn't think we were going to catch anything on this big old dude. Alright, let's see if we can get another cast. Well, guys, I'm packing up. Rain's got in. Alright, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.